Want to create a beautiful flower design using just your photo? In this tutorial I am showing you how I created this colorful flower part design in Pixel Lab. First add your flower image and place them on the canvas. Then just the size and position of each flower to create a balanced look. Next change the color of the parts and flowers to make the design more attractive. Use layers to keep everything organized and make your editing erasers. After that, add the final touches, adjust the background and make the colors pop. And that's it. A simple pixel lab edit transformed into a beautiful creative design. If you love mobile editing, follow for more easy and viral editing tutorials.